Hi children, what is this? This is a hairbrush. This is hair clip and this is comb. See, this is in the middle. Before the hairbrush, what is here? Hair clip. It is before the hairbrush. This comb is after the hairbrush. Middle, before, after. Okay, like this. What is this? It is an elephant. This is a lion and this is a dog. Middle, elephant is there. Before the elephant, lion is there. After the elephant, dog is there. Now middle, before, after. Like this. What is this? This is a pen. This is a pouch. This is a notebook. Okay. Pouch is in the middle. Before the pouch, pen is here. After the pouch, notebook is here. Before, middle, after. Like this. This is powder, spray and lotion. Okay. Middle, spray is there. Before the spray, what is here? Powder. After the spray, lotion is here. Understood? Middle, before, after. Now we are going to learn in maths book before, after. Take out your maths book. Page number 6 to 62. Before and after. Read the sentences aloud to understand the position of the objects. This is what? A bottle. Bottle is in the middle. Umbrella is before the bottle and hat is after the bottle. Middle, before, after. Middle, before, after. The pigeon is before the parrot and the butterfly is after the parrot. See, in this row, middle parrot is there. Before the parrot, which bird is there? Pigeon. And after the parrot, butterfly is there. So middle, before, after. Point to the boy before the girl and the point to the boy after the girl. See, the girl is in the middle. This boy is before the girl. This boy is after the girl. He is before, he is after. The girl is in the middle. Okay. Learn with objects at home before and after. Come to the next page. Mark before and after objects. Write A for the objects that are after the objects in the middle. Write B for the objects that are before the objects in the middle. Okay, in this row, which are the objects are here? See, in the middle, bat is there. These are balls. These are bells. Which are before the bat? See, balls are before the bat. Write B here. Bells are after the bat. Write A. B is for before, A is for after. In this row, cat is in the middle. Before the cat, which object is here? See, bell. So you have to write B. And the ball is after the cat. So write A. Here, next row, which are the objects given? Leaf, flower and apple. Middle, flower is there. Before the flower, which object is here? Leaf. So write B. And after the flower, apple is here. Write A. We are not writing A for apple. We are writing A is for after here. Okay. And like this, in this row, Umbrella is there, bottle is here, and bag is here. In middle, which object is here? Bottle is in the middle. Before the bottle, umbrella is here. So write B. And after the bottle, bag is here. Write A. Okay? Learn this and send it to me. Bye, children.